Little storyteller.
The sun smiled down on Sunnytown. In the busy market, Mr. Bun, the Satay man with a big round tummy and a friendly smile, was grilling his yummy meat sticks. His stall smelled of sweet and smoky sauce. Next to him was Mrs. Lee, the noodle soup lady. She wore a bright red apron, and her noodles danced in the hot broth. Her soup smelled warm and comforting. One sunny morning, something strange happened. Mr. Bun woke up and felt like making soup. Mrs. Lee felt like grilling meat on sticks. It was as if they had swapped their ideas. Mr. Bun started making noodle soup. It was a little different. The broth had a sweet and smoky taste, and little grilled meat pieces floated on top. Mrs. Lee grilled satay. But instead of meat, she used firm tofu and big juicy mushrooms. The peanut sauce had a hint of warm, comforting spices. The customers came to the market. Little Timmy, who always ate Mr. Bun's satay, tried the new noodle soup. His eyes went wide. "Wow, this soup tastes like a yummy barbecue," he giggled. Grandma Sue, who loved Mrs. Lee's warm noodles, tried the satay. "My goodness, this is satay, but it's so soft, and the sauce is so comforting," she exclaimed happily. Everyone in Sunnytown was surprised, but they all loved the new tastes. Mr. Bun's smoky soup and Mrs. Lee's comforting satay were a big hit. At the end of the day, Mr. Bun and Mrs. Lee smiled at each other. They learned that trying new things can be fun and delicious. Even though their recipes went back to normal the next day, they sometimes added a little bit of their swapped ideas to their own cooking, making everyone's favorite foods even more special. Fun fact, trying new foods can help you discover new flavors you love. It's like a delicious adventure for your taste buds.
Please subscribe. Thank you.